is going on? We are live. We are ready to roll. Here we go. We have a 2-box break of the 2020 Panini Chronicles Draft Picks Football for Danny S. We're going to go ahead and get right into this. Good luck, Danny. Brand new product that Panini put out this year. Empty box. 6 packs, 8 cards per pack. You're looking at 3 autos, I believe, and 1 jersey card typically per box. All rookie cards. So we got rated rookie Jerry Jeudy, got Jake Luton, Bryce Hopkins, you got a Jermichael Hasty, rookie, Cheyenne O'Grady, rookie, and we got Laviska Shenault Jr. That is a jersey card to $2.99. Nice. Congrats on that. DJ Dallas, rated rookie, and Brandon Ayuk, Spectra rookie. Very nice. This is an interesting looking product. I like the way that they'd put it all together. They've made everything look really nice. They've added a lot of nice products like Spectra in there, Optic, LaMichael Pirine rookie, Anthony Gordon rookie, a nice Joe Burrow Chronicles, nice card there, and then a Justin Herbert Elite rookie. Is that numbered? It is not numbered, but nice looking card there. Laviska Shenault, not numbered. And we have, out of 1 out of 49, Albert Okwuegbunam. Oh, nice patch autograph. Out of 1 out of 49, you get a 3-color patch. Albert Okwuegbunam. He's a tight end. Don't know who he's with, but he played at Missouri. Nice looking card there again. 1 out of 49. Congrats on that. Anthony Gordon Select rookie and a Chase Young rookie. So 2 packs in and 2 autos. Look at that. Boom shakalaka. Just like that. Justin Herbert rated rookie. Tyler Johnson rookie. Jerry Jeudy limited. Zach Moss. Mitchell Wilcox Select. All these are upside down. Dalton Keene, rookie. Jake Breeland, rated rookie. And Gabriel Davis, Spectra rookie. I mean, you're going to get endless rookies with this product, so. Cole Kmet, this is the actual Chronicles base. Jordan Love, rated rookie. Nice. Jared Pinky. Nice Joe Burrow, XR rookie. Jordan Love, limited Phenoms rookie. Oh, nice. Nice. Look at this. Derek Brown, 20 out of 30. This is a Crown Royal autograph. Congrats on that. 20 out of 30, Derek Brown. Nice looking card. Lynn Bowden Jr., Select rookie. And DeAndre Swift, rookie. Courtney Davis, Patrick Taylor Jr., Steven Montez, rated rookie, Justin Herbert, Leaf, certified rookie, not numbered, Jonathan Taylor, rookie, Jeff Okudah, Crown Royal rookie, Tyler Hutney, Select, and Patrick Taylor Jr. Last pack of the first box. Lynn Bowden Jr., Laviska Shenault Chronicles, rated rookie there. Nice Tua, Absolute. Another Lynn Bowden Jr., certified. And A.J. Dillon. Did we get 3 autos? Maybe we did. Maybe we got, did we get 3 or 4? I can't remember. A.J. Dillon out of 99, another Crown Royal rookie autograph. Very nice. Steven Montez, rated rookie, and Jerry Jeudy Spectra. All right, brother. Here we go. Box number 2. Good luck. Hopefully we get something awesome here for you. I love that Panini's bringing out the college product, though. I think it's so underrated. If you guys want to get your own box breaks, your own personal breaks, make sure you guys check out primetimecollecting.com as well. Rodney Smith, rated rookie. Gabriel Davis, Jermichael Hasty, Jerry Jeudy, Jalen Reagor, and we got a Jonathan Taylor jersey card, number to 299. Congrats on that. T. Higgins, rated rookie, and Darrington Evans. We got lots of stuff available in the shop, primetimecollecting.com. We got lots of different baseball available right now. I think that's the main thing. A little bit of soccer as well. Thaddeus Moss, Adam Trotman, John Hightower, nice Joe Burrow certified rookie, KJ Hamler, and this is out of 99, Lynn Bowden Jr. patch autograph. That is a nice patch as well. Look at that. Lynn Bowden Jr. out of 99 RPA. Congrats on that. Beautiful. CeeDee Lamb Select and another Jonathan Taylor. Benjamin Victor, Jerry Jeudy, Antonio Gandy Golden, James Morgan, nice Antonio Gibson rated rookie. This looks like it might be numbered, 10 out of 49. Nice. Steven Montez, J.K. Dobbins, and K.J. Hill. Justin Herbert, Chronicles rookie. Denzel Mims. Kalijah Lipscomb. Henry Ruggs. Justin Herbert XR. And another, out of 25, Devin Asiasi, rookie autograph. Nice card there. Jerry Jeudy rookie. And Salvon Ahmed. We got 2 packs to go, brother. Good luck. Justin Herbert, Jonathan Taylor, T. Higgins, another Burrow, Brandon Ayuk, and we got a Van Jefferson rookie autograph playoff. I don't think that's numbered. Not numbered. But Van Jefferson. Very nice. Nice. Joe Burrow Optic rated rookie. And a Justin Jefferson Spectra. Last pack. We got Darius Anderson, Cheyenne O'Grady, Joe Burrow rated rookie, normal, Brian Edwards, Quantree Davis, Jonathan Taylor, Crown rookie, Hunter Bryant rookie, and Keyshawn Vaughn rookie. All right, my friend. Let me quickly just go over some of these hits for you. Really quickly. Let me get them organized here really quick. So let me just go ahead and show you I put aside all the Burrows. So we got a Chronicles Burrow rookie, normal rated rookie, Optic rated rookie, Phenoms rookie, Certified rookie, and XR rookie. I'm sure those are going to be plenty, but they're Burrow, so we should pull them out. Then over here we got a Van Jefferson rookie autograph, A Jonathan Taylor jersey to 299. Laviska Shenault jersey to 299. Albert Okugbunam, don't quote me on that, patch autograph, numbered 1/49. Nice looking patch. Devin Asiasi, crown rookie autograph /25. Lynn Bowden Jr., rookie patch autograph, numbered /99. We got an A.J. Dillon, crown rookie autograph /99. And finally, a Derek Brown, crown rookie autograph /30. Thanks again for the purchase, buddy. Don't forget, guys, if you want to get your own breaks, head over to primetimecollecting.com. We'll be live on Facebook. You can check us out anytime. We got loads of personal breaks over there, so make sure you guys check them out. I'll see you soon. Peace.